got?
Loco, what a sweet dog this
I
is.
know. Why would they name you that? I think Loco's on the other end there.
What a nice dog. Oh.
Yeah, you're pretty. Look at your pretty coat. Yeah.
Hi, you got crazy neighbors though, don't you? You do.
Hey there. Who's the sweetie, huh? Who's the sweetie? Yeah.
Oh, what a special dog. Someone must be missing you.
I
Look how
know.
special you are. Oh, wow, what a big dog.
Get away. Oh, good gracious me. This is crazy. This is crazy good. Where'd you get all these spots? Yeah, that's crazy good, isn't it? Huh?
Wow, what a nice dog.
Oh my goodness. Aren't you the bestest?
You are special. Someone's got to be missing you. Oh, you don't belong here. Look at you. Look at these pretty spots on your feet. Look at these pretty big feet. Oh. Yeah, let's look at your teeth. Oh, look at those. Nice, pretty white.
Yeah.
Oh, a good boy.
I tell you.
Boy.
You are something else, aren't you?
Wow.
You are something else.
I think he likes company.
Yeah.
Because I'm very special.
Ah.
Okay, say goodbye, Loco.